He's been all over the place, worked everywhere. We called upon Eddie for any project and he was ready to go. Moved the family to Curacao. When they didn't want to leave Curacao because they were happy, we asked them to move back to Aruba. So with tears, they packed their bags and they came back to Aruba. And now, the father role. How proud can a father be to be standing next to his son and seeing him flourish in the position of CEO of MetaCorp, a company that has been in the family for 105 years, and see him grow the company and develop it further from where it has been in the past and continues to strive. 40 in Meta doesn't come without sacrifice, patience, and support from my wife Jamie and my children Jessica and Devon. Girls, thank you for having my back. A career without mentors, and you know who you are. To give you advice perhaps when least you want it, when least you want to hear of it. I want to thank you, and you know who you are. The board, thank you for raising the bar during our quarterly meetings, in particular yesterday. I also want to thank you for the trust you have given Guus, Chansley, and myself to lead this great organization. And as one of our creed states, trust but verify. Guus and Chansley, thank you, and thank you. You guys know how I feel. To Eduardo and Gerardo, your guidance has come in different forms, and I think most of you have experienced that. They come in different forms and shapes, at times clear and direct. And other times it requires reverse engineering to figure it out. Your guidance also helped form my path that has me where I am today. Thank you.